Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how can I see deleted WhatsApp messages. Friends, sometimes we receive a WhatsApp message which is deleted from sender before we able to read it. So first I will send a WhatsApp message which I delete later. Now I will delete the message. Now this message is deleted from both the sides. Now I will open the WhatsApp of my second phone. Now here as you can see a message is received which is deleted later. Now to read this message you simply need to go to settings. Now here press on this setting icon. Now in settings press on notifications. In notifications press on advanced settings. Now press on notification history. Now here you will be able to read your deleted message. Like here you can see I have written how are you, which I deleted later. So friends, like this you can very easily see all deleted WhatsApp messages. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.